We understand that a lot of repairs are done in areas with either poor reception or no reception at all. And to allow users to continue using the BOAhub in these areas, we've created what we call the offline mode. Now, this does need to be downloaded to your device while you have network and before you go out of reception. It is a one-time download only, so as long as you download it when you set up the BOAhub, you can then use it in offline mode forever after. So to download offline, you go to settings. In other settings, we've got an offline mode button here. I have already downloaded it to this device, but if I hadn't, this button here would be a download offline mode button. And it takes about a minute to download all of the data to your device. And then as new job cards are created in the future, that data is synced between online and offline mode immediately. So in our jobbing function, we can see we've got 2 job cards in progress status. And in our cart, we can see that we've got 4 items in our cart. I'm going to turn my phone to flight mode to replicate having no reception, and we'll open up the offline mode and see how it functions. So you can see up the top here, when the app recognises it has no network, you're displayed a prompt asking you if you want to go offline. So we'll click that. Now you can see the homepage looks a bit different to what we were looking at before. We have limited the functions that are available offline to those that are really key. Anything that can wait until you have reception again, we're not providing in the offline mode. So if we now look into our jobbing section, we can see that the 2 job cards that were in progress are displayed in here. We haven't pulled through any of the completed jobs based on the fact that they're completed and you no longer need to work on them. So in the jobbing function, we do display jobs that are either in new request or in progress status only. And you do need to be back in reception to actually push the job card through to the completed status. So what we'll do now is we'll just create a new job card and save and close that. And I will pick up one of these job cards that are in progress status and pop something into the job card. So I've created a new job card while offline and picked up an existing job card and done some work on that job. The other thing we'll just check out quickly while we're in offline mode is the cart. So you can see here we've got 2 carts in offline. We've got displayed to the user what they've currently got in their online cart. They can't edit this, but they can see what they had in their cart. And then if they add anything to the cart while offline, I'll just go and pop a beanie into the cart. You can see that that is added into this offline cart section. When we come back online, whatever is in this offline cart is added to whatever at that point in time is in the online cart. Now we'll turn our reception back on and you can see a prompt is displayed at the top. The system has recognised it's got network again. So we'll go online. And now if we look in our jobbing function, we can see that new job card we created while we were in offline mode is displayed here. And the items that we added to that existing job card in offline mode are displayed there also. And if we jump into our cart, we can see that beanie that we added to the cart in offline mode has been added to our online cart. So this function caters for users that are going in and out of areas that have no reception, and it means they can continue to use the key functionality of the BOAhub regardless of whether they've got reception or not.